Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And today we are going to start our Rust series. We will start from basic to advanced. We will build some couple of projects in this playlist. And Rust is booming in 2026. Still, you can use Rust for different things from blockchain to system programming. So I'm not going to explain all of this. But you must have goal. Why should you learn Rust in 2026? So let's get started, and we are going to use this book for. We are going to follow this book for throughout the playlist, and I will show you some of the code examples, and we will start from hello world to advanced, and I will be also learning Rust with you. I've been doing Rust since last 2 years, but it's I will be learning with you. So yeah. So today's video we are going to install Rust on our system. But before going ahead, let's follow this book, the Rust Programming Language book by Steve Klabnik, Carol Nichols, and Chris Cho, and all the Rust contributors community. So here is the fast forward. Here you can read more about the Rust. You can see the link docs dot rust dash lang dot org and slash book forward dot html. From there, it is the introduction. You can learn about who is Rust for students, open source developers, companies, and people. Most importantly, Rust is fast, so people who value speed and stability. So I hope you have basic understanding of programming languages, whether you are coming from Python, Go, JavaScript, or any different language. You can learn Rust from completely from scratch and here. So let's get started. So today we are going to install Rust. So this is our very first video, and the first thing we are going to do is install Rust in our system. So this is the installation. I'm not going to follow this. I would recommend you, and even they recommended you can use Rust up, which is recommended by the community, rust-lang.org. So you can copy this command from here, open your terminal, and I already installed, but still I will install with you. And there we go. Let's install the Rust. So this is how you install the Rust, and it is taking time, and it is saying this can be modified the cargo.home because already uh, I have already installed. So after installation, so I'm cutting this, right, rust c dash dash version. I think this is the command. So you can see rust c 1.9.2.0, and it's I am also going to run this command cargo, which is coming with Rust package. So that's all for today's video. In the next video, we are going to write our very first Rust program, which is Hello World. So by the way, if you have any problem installing Rust, so you can follow this docs, and you can install and uninstall Rust. So I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.